inside the dollar factory, how the world's most secure currency is made. You can see everything inside the video.
Every dollar begins as a careful crafted concept designed by expert artists. Master engravers create precision artwork that defines the dollar's iconic visuals.
Digital engineers refine every line to ensure perfect accuracy for the dollar.
Security elements are integrated to protect the dollar from counterfeiting.
Microprinting adds layers of hidden protection to every dollar. Advanced digital models ensure each dollar's security thread is perfectly placed.
Watermarks are positioned precisely to safeguard the dollar.
After rigorous evaluation, the official dollar design is approved.
Engraving plates are produced with microscopic precision for the dollar.
The dollar is printed on a durable cotton linen blend, not typical paper. Raw fibers are shredded to begin forming the foundation of the dollar. Water and fibers are blended to produce a strong pulp for dollar paper. Strengthening agents are added to ensure each dollar lasts for years.
Specialized metallic threads are embedded into the dollar during production.
Colored fibers are dispersed into the pulp to authenticate every dollar.
Each dollar sheet receives its embedded security thread in exact alignment.
Watermarks are created by altering paper density, unique to each dollar. The pulp is pressed into long, continuous sheets for dollar printing. Drying tunnels remove moisture to solidify the dollar paper structure. Consistency is essential, so every sheet of dollar paper is inspected. Oversized rolls are cut into sheets ready for dollar printing.
UV light confirms the proper placement of hidden dollar features.
Proved sheets are stacked and prepared for printing the bream. Special handling moves the premium sheets to the dollar print area. The iconic dollar green is formulated with unique pigments.
Color shift inks provide extra security to the dollar. Engraved plates are mounted for high-precision dollar printing.
Sheets are aligned perfectly to avoid misprints in the dollar run. Intaglio presses give the dollar its distinct raised texture.
The tactile feel is an important security feature of the dollar.
Production ramps up as thousands of dollar bills are printed per hour.
The back design of every dollar is added in synchronized cycles. Every dollar is scanned to ensure perfect alignment. Each dollar receives a unique serial number for tracking. Advanced automation ensures flawless placement of security strips.
Ultejogidas desliatis nation. Color shift elements give the dollar a shimmering effect.
Holograms enhance the security of premium dollar denominations.
Invisible UV printing helps authenticate each dollar. Fresh ink is cured to fix the dollar's vibrant details.
Robotics examine both sides of every dollar for accuracy.
Any dollar with imperfections is removed before finalization.
Sheets are cut precisely into perfectly sized dollar bills. Cut bills travel down conveyors for final verification. Unique serial numbers are stamped to identify every dollar. Numbering ink sets quickly to finalize each dollar. Bills are grouped and aligned into perfect stacks of dollar notes. Automated counters confirm the correct number of dollar bills.
Human oversight ensures each dollar meets strict standards.
The dollar is checked under UV light for hidden marks.
Tiny text is inspected to guarantee authenticity on every dollar.
Approved bundles are authorized for packaging.
Any flawed dollar is immediately destroyed for security. Bundles are sealed to prevent unauthorized access.
Labeled trays help track and manage dollar distribution.
Automation ensures efficient handling of heavy dollar loads. Industrial wrap protects bulk shipments of dollar currency. Barcodes allow each dollar crate to be traced.
Crates of dollar bills are prepared for secure vault transport.
Strict protocols guide the movement of dollar pallets. High-grade vaults store newly printed dollar bills.
Security teams track all movements of the dollar.
Vault conditions preserve the integrity of dollar paper.
Every dollar batch is carefully documented.
Inspections ensure the dollar remains safe at all times.
Rows of dollar bills are stored in secured sections.
Premium dollar notes receive enhanced protection.
Personnel maintain constant surveillance of dollar currency.
Orders are prepared for distributing new dollar notes.
Conveyors transport crates toward shipping preparation.
Official authorization confirms the dollar is ready for circulation.
Specialized vehicles collect the dollar shipments. Every dollar shipment is moved under strict escort.
Tracking units ensure real-time monitoring of dollar crates. seal tags prevent unauthorized access to the dollar. A protected convoy distributes the dollar across regions.
Sector 4 is clear.
Copy that. We are approaching the merge point.
Shipments reach federal banks for further sorting. Workers carefully unload valuable specialty containers.
The dollar moves from central vaults to banks nationwide.
Banks receive fresh dollar bills for customers and businesses.
Machines ensure banks receive accurate dollar amounts.
Fresh dollar bills are sorted and prepared for circulation. ATMs are loaded with newly printed dollar currency.
Machines are stocked with secure stacks of dollar bills.
The dollar enters circulation as customers withdraw it.
Businesses handle newly circulated dollar cash daily.
Cash cycles back through the financial system.
Machines categorize dollar bills by condition. Damaged dollar notes are sent for secure disposal. Outdated dollar bills are shredded to prevent misuse. Shredded dollar fibers are recycled responsibly.
Auditors track every stage of the dollar life cycle.
Demand forecasts initiate new dollar printing cycles.
Continuous innovation strengthens future dollar bills.
Experts study ways to extend the lifespan of the ferry.
Prototypes undergo durability tests to ensure resilience.
Authorities reveal future improvements to the dollar.
Comparisons highlight advances in dollar security. From raw fibers to secure bills, this is the complete story of the dollar is made.